everyone, we are installing this inflatable theme park. This is the connecting pipe between each session, through which air intake is required for some intermediate sessions. This connection way helps to prevent air leakage around, ensure sufficient air pressures in the middle sessions, and even affects the experience of the player due to insufficient air pressure in some sessions. This is our Velcro connected to each session. It is wide enough. The Velcro we choose is grade A quality, which has long service life. When you are ready to buy the inflatable products, you need to know the material not only outside but also inside. Hi friends, this is the inner baffle. The inner baffle is also made of high quality PVC with strong tensile strength, which plays the role of product molding. This is our third wheel. So we can make it a right angle to save space. And this is a way to connect the back wheel with the blower. It is very convenient. This is our triangle face buckle. And we will make them every 2 meters distance and at the high point of the product. You can also place some sandbags inside the vents around the product as a load-bearing material to face the product, so that it can be used outside effectively against wind. This is our safety acid, and it is removable and attached to the product. The middle U-shaped acid use high-quality white sticker, which is easy to open and for access. Our surrounding guardrail is high enough for safety. If no one runs the inflatable theme park in your town here, please don't hesitate. It is currently the most popular project in the playground. Get your sites in place and seize the chance. Let's make more fun. You will make a lot of money. Fighting! Hi friends, we are inflating and testing this inflatable theme park, and we will carry a strict quality inspection. You can see our staff is carrying out final checks. We will ensure to provide you with high quality products. Let me show you how fun inside. I think it is a courage for me to get physical exercise at the same time as play.